Nothing's gonna work. Ha! Idea! I'm gonna get it this time. Wait and see. You, gumball! I will show you now. What is he doing? Let me check it out. Wow, it's yummy. Thank you so much, buddy. Hey, that's mine. Stop. Give it back. No. Bye-bye. Huh? Hey, Johnny, what are you doing? Huh? You broke this? Yeah. I was trying to get the gumballs, but it didn't work. Look, you have to put coins for that. What do we do now? Let's call the mechanic. Chia is our mechanic. He is with his toy kit to fix it well. He is fixing all that good, putting all the broken things. He has done it really well and set that great. Guys, look! You have to insert a coin here. And then we'll deliver for your candy, okay? Here's your coin. You can take your candy safely. Wow! Bye-bye! So tasty! Yeah, it's yum! Hey, babies, look there! The squirrel went over the big crowd. The squirrel went over the big crowd. The squirrel went over the big crowd to see what he could see. And all that he could see, and all that he could see was the very huge gumball machine. Was the very huge gumball machine. Was the very huge gumball machine. Was all that he could see. I love you so much. I'm gonna take one for her. Here I go. Huh? No candies? Why isn't it working? I need one. Come outside. Oh, I need a coin. I know where it is. Huh? Not this one. No.